Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make this amazing vegetable called as sponge gourd. In Hindi it's known as turai. So let's get started. So in a pot I've heated around 2 tablespoons of oil in which I'll be adding in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll let them crackle. Once it starts crackling, I'll be adding in a pinch of hing and some curry leaves, followed by chopped ginger garlic, and then we'll add in one medium sized chopped onions. Now we'll fry the onion until it's light brown. Now once the onion starts getting brown, I'll add in one medium sized tomato finely chopped, and I'll add in around a teaspoon of salt. Just give it a mix. I'll put the flame low now. At this point here, I'll start adding in the dry spices. First goes in the turmeric powder, around half teaspoon, around a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder and jeera powder. Now let's fry this masala. Just that the masala doesn't burn, I'll add in little water. So here I've taken 1/3 cup of chana dal which I had soaked for around 4 hours. You can soak it overnight as well. And I've washed it well. Now I'll add this into the pot. Okay, I'll just give it a mix. Alright, so now I just need this dal to cook well. So I'll add in water. Okay, I've added little warm water, or you can add a normal water as well. Okay, and I will just let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Cook the chana dal well on medium flame and keep adding water if the water gets dried up. Okay, so now let's just check. So the reason why we are not adding in the vegetable first, because the vegetable will cook fast and the dal will remain raw. So that's the reason I want the dal to cook well first. Once it's cooked well, now I've just kept the pot open and I'll just let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes till this water gets dried up little. Okay, and then we'll add the vegetable. Okay, now we'll check the dal. Yes, the dal. So the dal seems to have cooked at least 80%. Okay, now we will add in the vegetable. And I'll just give it a mix. I'll not add any water now because the vegetable itself will lose out some moisture. So we'll just let it cook on low flame. I'll add in some salt. Okay, now I will close the lid. Now I'll just leave it on low flame until the vegetable is cooked properly. Alright, that's it. Now I'll turn off the flame. Just garnish it with coriander leaves. It's that simple to make this recipe. Do try this out and let me know how you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.